Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to see about the second lesson in physics optics. Intro, what is light and properties of light. First is intro. Optics. Light is a form of energy. It travels as a wave. The arrow mark represents ray of light. That means path or direction along which light energy travels is called ray of light. Another is group of light rays are called beam of light. Beam of light is divided into three types. Parallel beam, it will go in one direction. Divergent beam, from a point many rays are formed. Convergent beam, all the rays are converged in a point. How we are able to see an object? In dark place we can't able to see anything. If the light falls on our eyes, our vision will be impossible. Next, if a light passes on an object, we are able to see the object clearly. So we need a source of light, and objects emit their own light are called luminous objects. Example, stars, sun, etc. Next is properties of light. Light is a form of energy. It always travels in a straight line. Light, it does not require any medium to travel. Speed of light in vacuum is c is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. This is the velocity of light. Since light travels as a wave, it is characterized by wavelength, that is lambda, and frequency nu. Relationship between wavelength and frequency is c is equal to nu lambda. Different colors have different wavelength. Among visible light, violet has high frequency, whereas red has low frequency. So only red is kept in traffic signals. Next is refraction. When a light ray travels from one medium to another medium, the path of light undergoes a deviation. This deviation of ray of light is called refraction. Otherwise it is called bending of a light ray. Refraction takes place due to difference in velocity of light in different medium. Velocity of light is more in rarer medium and it is less in denser medium. In the given picture, the red line is mentioned as incident ray and the dotted red line mentioned as reflected ray, and the blue dotted line mentions as refracted ray. Here two mediums are mentioned. The top is called air medium and the bottom blue color is called water medium. Refraction of light always obeys laws of refraction. First law, the incident ray, refracted ray and the normal lie on a same plane. Refractive index, that is mentioned as mu, is equal to speed of light in vacuum by speed of light in the medium. Second law is Snell's law. The ratio of sine angle of incidence and sine angle of refraction is equal to the ratio of refractive index of two media. It is otherwise called as mu is equal to sine I by sine R. Let us see in the two different mediums. Speed of light in medium is low if refractive index of the medium is high, or vice versa. If the light travels from the rarer medium to denser medium, the refracted ray is bent towards the normal line. Then light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, the refracted ray bent away from the normal line. For example, rarer medium we are taking air and denser medium water. So the light ray travels from air to water or water to air. So dear students, that's all about today's class. Listen, understand and study well. Write all the definitions, properties of light and submit in the evening. Okay, thank you. Bye.